Greetings everyone, I am Darshita Agarwal.
And I am Rudresh Nilasya.
We are students of class 9 studying in DPS Nacharam, and we are here to solve a very pressing problem, something that is faced by millions across the globe.
In India itself, the numbers are quite high. 63 million people in India are suffering from auditory impairment and 18 million people from hearing loss.
Aren't these numbers disturbingly high? What can we do to help these groups of people?
Now, what is this problem? Why did we choose to solve this problem? And what motivated us to come up with a solution? And most importantly, how will people benefit if our solution is implemented?
Let me tell you a story, something that tells you what motivated us to solve this problem. Recently, I attended a workshop that was about working in teams and collaboration. Among the people present there, one of them was speech impaired, meaning he did not use audible language, but he used sign language to express himself, and as a result, no one could understand him. This forced him to keep quiet and just listen throughout the meeting. And for someone like me, who is a big advocate for equality and people being able to express themselves freely, I was deeply affected.
Then we thought that there must be many more people that go through such situations, that in spite of having such good ideas, they are forced to remain quiet.
Our problem is that disabled people, or those who are mute or deaf, use sign language to communicate and have problems during communication.
And sign language is often not understood by the receiver due to them not knowing it, which leads to misunderstandings and feelings of isolation.
To solve this problem, we have built a sign language translator, FutureSync. What it does is uses computer vision, which is a domain of AI, to translate sign language into English, which can then be translated to any regional language.
This makes all groups of people feel equal and understood. We have this new dataset folder where we have the various images such as see, hands up, thumbs down, and etc. Then we double click on this run file. As you can see, a window has opened and we are using a deep learning algorithm called CNN. Firstly, we're going to upload the hand gestures and train the model. Then we're going to click on this button which says train CNN with gestures images. And then the accuracy must be 100%. And then click on the next one. It's sign language recognition from WebCat. And then later on, try out with the image. This is how the model works. Many disabled students do not get proper education. Mr. Prem Kumar is a math teacher who looks forward to give schooling to such children and makes them feel equal. Sir, so you have seen our project right now. So how do you think it will benefit students and in their daily life?
Yeah, Rudra. Actually, being a maths teacher, being a teacher, I found it actually it's really wonderful. And being a teacher, I many times in my class actually without knowing I implement this. And generally I don't like to shout. Many times I use this sign language. And I found it really wonderful that it helps the teachers, and the students to understand it more better.
Sir, so how do you think it will help the disabled?
Yes, among the students, actually we not always expect the children, those who will grasp things very easily. So the students, those who are disabled also, with this sign language, they will be able to understand the things very easily. So it's very fine. I wish all the best.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
मैम, अभी आपने प्रोजेक्ट देखा, आपको क्या लगता है प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में? हाउ इज़ इट? कैसे हम लोगों की मदद कर सकता है?
दर्शिता, मुझे तो ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा एक्चुअली. कभी कभी लगता है कि मेरे प्रोफेशन में एवरीथिंग आई कांट स्पीक डायरेक्टली, राइट? तो साइन लैंग्वेज आई विल बी यूजिंग. ये जो आपका प्रोजेक्ट जो इंटरप्रेट करता है ना, दैट इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन. कि मैं कुछ भी दिखाती हूँ, एनी इवन अ थम्स अप, इट विल जस्ट रेप्लिकेट व्हाट इज़ इन माय माइंड. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपका प्रोजेक्ट.
अच्छा मैम, और लोगों को कैसे इम्पैक्ट करेगा ये?
जो डिसेबल्ड है, that for them it is a wonderful experience and wonderful thing what they can use easily. बहुत यूज़र फ्रेंडली है और those people will be very happy.
Now we thank Niti Aayog and Atal Innovation Mission for giving us this wonderful opportunity to solve real world problems. Thank you.